Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with Miss Cat's Crafting 2024 ATC tray for the month of January. I thought I'd share the pages that I made with all the goodies that I received from the people that sent me ATCs in January. So first up we have Sabrina's. And I will show you her ATC. It's right there. So cute. I will pull it out and pull it back. So here's Sabrina's. It is so cute. That's January's. And then, so we got her name. That was off her envelope. And then she sent all these stickers and a guest check and Van Gogh. She knows I like Van Gogh, so she stuck some in there. And this ice cube ephemera. And then Sabrina continues to this side as well. And more Van Gogh and some other, I don't know who this image is. And that's part of her envelope there. And then this is a little shatter ATC in there, but I kept it. Plus, back here, Sabrina sent me this envelope. It was white. Well, I mixed media and I stuck it here, so if I get any cards, like business cards, I'll stick them in there. And then we go to Deidre. And this is her ATC. And this is her goodies, and she sent me this cool, pretty card, and she sends this inspiration as well. Inspirational card. Today I am confident. Today I am who I am, and I am capable of doing anything that I put my mind to. Love that. And with a little note, and then her stickers, and I saved the stamp from the envelope, and all the goodies and stickers. Sky above earth, below me fire within. Wonder Woman, I am stronger than I am broken. Oh yeah. And then all these cute little stickers. Okay. And then we go to Donna. Donna times 3. Check this out. Her ATC is a calendar. It goes all the way to December of next year. Isn't it cool how she did that? She's got these beads on there. This vintage paper. So cool. And this twine and ribbon, or it's twine or string, and then the beads. So that one was Donna's. And these are her goodies, which is all vintage. But this right here is an envelope. And then inside this envelope, I got this cute little suitcase. And it has a handle too. It's into here. Of course, it's way in the bottom, of course. There's the string. Well, I hope I didn't lose the handle. Well, if I lost the handle. Oh, no, it's in there. Nope. Is it? Okay, yeah, it's down there. Only on real video. So here's the handle. And you put this together. I think it's the handle for this. Yep, there's the little spots. Bend and bend, bend. That in. This is so cute. I don't know where she found these, but I put it together, but not the whole with the handle. So we're gonna put the handle on. Oh, come on. There's the handle. And I don't know if the string was something that was around the package, but I kept the string. I don't know why there would be string, but there's that little suitcase. Ain't that cute? I love it. So I saved into my little luggage box. That's from Donna Dreamtimes 3. So cute. I'll make sure I rip it here. Yep. The back in the envelope. And the string, I don't remember. I'll have to go back and watch my own video to see what the string was from. And there we go. And the next one is I have to make sure I cover something. So give me a quick second here, because I made a mistake. I didn't make the mistake, but I gotta cover. Like I said, I saw the. Oh man, come on. Like I said, I don't edit, so you get the real deal here. There we go. And of course, I dropped it. Oh, okay. Just bear with me a quick second off camera. Alright. So, there we go. I got it covered. So the next one is from Susie. And this is hers. I love this colors. And Susie I am probably saying her name wrong. Big time. But she sent me this. Whoop, come on, stay there. And then some little playing cards and God We Trust. Matter of fact, I just got one from Susie today. And this cool stamp of hers. And this is tissues or napkins. Napkin. And then little cards. And then the card. So I got that in there. The reason this is black is because I kept her address label. Then we go to Miss Cat. And Miss Cat always sends so much. I got so much left over as well. And these are Miss Cat's. I got 2 from her. And her. Hang on. Number 1. Okay. Because she writes on. Use It or Lose It. Series number 1. Tim Holtz Collection. And then Use It or Lose It. Tim Holtz Collection. Number 11. Look at all this goodness. And she used all these little ephemera pieces that are Tim Holtz. So cool. Okay. And then we go to Shelly. This is Shelly's ATC. And she sent this piece in between. So, that's Shelly. And then we go to Helen with Love. Or sorry, Helen Loves to Create. She also sends her love. So vintage. I love this image of that gal. Isn't she so pretty? And then these are all her goodies she sent me. And that was the month of January's right there. Everybody that sent me in January. I want to thank everybody that swapped with me in January. As you can see, your ATCs are in my book. And if you send any goodies, they're in this book as well. This is my Friendship Across the World. And it's what I'm doing with anything I receive for goodies that I can fit on 2 pages. Or 3 if possible. So I will see you in February. Thanks for watching. Bye everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.